boys and girls, today we're going to do some science. Now, it's coming up to your summer holidays and I know that lots of people love going to the seaside when it's the summer. But I know things are a bit different this summer, so I thought that we would make some waves, that we would make the ocean in a bottle so that the seaside can kind of come to us rather than us going to the seaside. So we're going to make waves in a bottle today, just to bring a wee bit of the seaside to your house. So keep watching if you want to know how. You'll need an empty bottle or else a jar, but make sure that whatever you use has a lid on it. That's really important. Then you'll need some water. I've already added some food colouring to mine. And then you'll need some sort of oil. I've chosen baby oil because it's nice and clear, but olive oil will also work just as well. And then there's my food colouring, which I've already added. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to get your water, whether or not you've added colour to it or not, and you're going to add it to your bottle. You're going to fill it about halfway up, so about up to there. Okay, so once you've filled your water about halfway up in the bottle, this is where you're going to need your oil. Okay, so you might want to use a dropper for this, or you might want to pour it in. And again, I'm going to try and fill this up as close to the top, as close to the brim as possible. So what do you think's going to happen, boys and girls? Well, let's find out. And get your lid on as quickly as you can and make sure that it's as tight as possible. Okay, so at the moment you can see all of the blue is sitting right at the bottom, and the top where the baby oil is, it's just sitting there by itself, isn't it? It's not moving to the bottom. So what we're going to do is, usually because when you go to the seaside, you can see the waves sometimes crashing against the wall. Let's see, we'll give this a wee shake. What do you see happening? Yeah, it looks like the waves are moving, doesn't it? Give it another wee shake. Wow. And it's actually quite relaxing watching it, isn't it? And watching it go up and down. So a few weeks ago we did an experiment about dissolving, and we noticed how some things actually melt or dissolve in water. That's because they mix really well with water. But what we've got here is we've got baby oil or olive oil or whatever you're using, and the thing with oil is it doesn't mix at all with water. It always stays where it is. It doesn't mix with any liquids. So that's why you've got the water at the top, you've got the water at the bottom and you've got the oil sitting at the top, because it refuses to mix together. So why don't you have a go at home? Maybe you could use different colours, maybe a different shade of blue, but have fun with it, whatever you do as well. I'll speak to you again, boys and girls. Bye.